What's up, online shoppers? Wintertime is almost upon us, and it's time to embrace that reality and get ourselves a snow shovel for our car. This is a super convenient little snow shovel that's 39 inches long when fully extended, collapses down to fit in a nice little carrying sack, and you can keep it in the trunk of your car, or you can leave it fully extended and use any place around your house. Let's open it up and see how you put it together. This is fully functional 39-inch snow shovel. Now, opening up the box, there are the contents of the box. You get the handle, which has a really nice, comfortable silicone grip, and all these great ridges in here to make sure that you grip it really well, and it's super light. You can also see the reinforcing in the handle here. This is sturdy reinforced plastic. Now here is your shovel, and they also give you a carrying bag so that you can stow this in your vehicle neatly, keep all the parts together, and an instruction manual. So assembly of this is pretty easy. All you have to do is attach the handle of the shovel to the neck of the shovel, and it has these little spring-loaded clips here on the side. So all I'm going to do is compress the spring-loaded clips, place the handle on, wiggle it in until I hear it clip, and now it's in place. So you can see that the little metal spring-loaded clips have fit through the handle, so it's nice and secure. Here is the handle. All you have to do to unfold it is open it up like that, and it locks into place. When it is time to put the handle away, all you have to do is pull up on this little orange to release it, pull up, and fold it down just like that. But again, when it's in place, you hear it click, and it actually locks really securely with a little knob that fits into an opening on the base of the shovel. Now, to extend this to its full 39 inches, all you have to do is squeeze the two little spring-loaded clips on either side of shovel here, and it locks in place, fully extended. This is 39 inches. I'm 5'6", so this might be a little bit short for me, but in an emergency, this is a great thing to have in a pinch in your car. I'm looking forward to giving it a try once the snowy season comes, and I will let you know how it works, but I can tell you, it's super sturdy. Now, I've used a lot of shovels in my day, and I know that this D-shaped handle is great. And what I love is when I have mitts on or gloves, I'm still gonna have lots of space to be able to get my hand in there. I'm certain that this is going to withstand the demands of shoveling snow through the winter months, but you could also use it to move sand and also mud if it piles up somewhere. So we'll have to give that a try and let you know, but I'm definitely impressed with this. Now, disassembly is also super easy. To collapse down the handle, you just push in these little silver locking knobs, and it clicks back into place. To remove the handle, you compress the two little silver knobs there, give it a wiggle, and off comes the handle just like that. And to fold it, all you have to do is pull up on the orange and then fold it in place like this. I love the convenience of the storage bag because I can slide it into the bag just like that, pop in the handle, and do up the cinch on the top. And now I can store this in my trunk, nice and neat, in a compact little bag, so that when the snow comes and I need a shovel, I know exactly where to find all the parts. I think this AstroAI collapsing snow shovel is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.